Welcome to our guide on setting up a multi-level marking period for the 2024-25 school year. Let's walk through the process together. First, we need to create a semester. Start by giving it a title, such as Fall Semester 2024, and a short name like Fall 24. Next, enter the start and end dates for the semester. For example, you might choose July 1, 2024, as the start date and December 31, 2024, as the end date. If the semester will be graded, check the Graded checkbox. Then, specify the start and end dates for the grading session. For instance, set the grading period from December 1 to December 10, 2024. If teachers will give exams during this semester, check the Exam checkbox. Would you like teachers to provide comments on the exams? If so, check the Comments checkbox as well. Now, click Submit. You've successfully created your first semester. Now to create another semester, follow the same steps. Give it a title, such as Spring Semester 2025, and a short name like Spring 25. Define the start date, perhaps January 1, 2025, and the end date, maybe June 30, 2025. Check boxes for grading, exams, and comments as needed. Each semester can also be divided into quarters. To do this, click the plus sign under the semester and follow the same steps. Give each quarter a title, short name, start and end dates, and manage grading, exams, and comments accordingly. You'll efficiently set up a multi-level marking period for the 2024-25 school year.